do it again?
Head, nose, knees, toes.
Good.
Done. Left. Head. Knees, toes.
Good.
Knees, toes, knees, toes, knees, toes.
Good.
Head, toes, knees, toes.
Wow. Then remember the part that goes eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Can you do that part? Eyes and ears and mouth and nose.
This,
Eyes, ears,
this,
and
this is probably this.
head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Good job.
Knee.